think page 12 from the fourth para, the next day. And the next day, Ravi waited for Miss Mala with bated breath. She came to the class and after taking the attendance, accepted only one flower from each student. When she is refusing all the gifts from the student, what will she ask me to give? Ravi wondered. Now the next day, Ravi waited for Miss Mala. Now Ravi is waiting in the school. Whom he is waiting? For his teacher, Miss Mala, with bated breath. What is the meaning of bated? He was nervous. He was excited. He was in an excited state. He was worried what my teacher will ask, what will she speak to me. All that worries he had in his mind. She came to the class. Now the Miss Mala, his class teacher, is coming to the class, and after taking the attendance, she takes the attendance, and she accepted only one flower from each student. All the children in the class, they brought the flower to the teacher on the Teachers' Day. Now, as you do, isn't it? When the teachers come, Teachers' Day, what do you all do? You get some flowers or one pen or anything. You give different gifts, isn't it? Can you tell me what are the gifts you are giving to the teachers? Different gifts. So, in the same way, what did he do? Ravi, what did the other children do of standard class 5? They too brought flowers, and this teacher Mala took one flower from each student. When she is refusing all the gifts from the student, what will she ask me to give? So she did not take from the student, she refused. So this one, Ravi is thinking, okay, when she refuses, when she doesn't take from the student, other student, what she will ask me? This one was worried. Ravi wondered, okay. Finally, she turned towards him. Now, teacher Mala is coming to him. So, Ravi, are you ready to give me whatever I ask you? Teacher is coming closer to Ravi, and she asked the question to Ravi. And what is the question is asked by the teacher? She is asking, Ravi, are you ready to give me whatever I ask you? I'm going to ask you something. Will you give me that? So, Ravi nodded nervously. What is the meaning of nodded? See, look at me, how I'm nodding my head. Yes or no. This is nodding. Okay. Sometimes we ask you question. Did you come to school yesterday? You say yes. Some of us, we don't open our mouth and say, but we nod our head. Yes. Did you do that? No. So this is called nodding our head. So what he did, he nodded nervous. He was so nervous. Remember, if you give away something, you cannot use it yourself. So teacher Mala said, see, I'm going to ask you something. You have to give me one gift. And that gift, if you give me, remember that you cannot use it yourself. You won't get it once again. You shouldn't use it. You cannot use it, that gift, for yourself. I hope she doesn't ask for something which I cannot give, Ravi thought. So Ravi is thinking, Ravi is nervous, and he thought, oh, okay, I hope she will not ask me anything whichever I cannot give. So she says, Ravi, I want you to gift me your anger. So what is the gift the teacher is asking from Ravi? Own anger, because he was so angry. Everywhere he was losing his temper. So Mala says, his teacher, I want a gift from you. I don't want pen, pencil, eraser, or else flowers, clock, or anything. I don't want any gift. I want only one gift from you, that is your anger. So when you will give it to me, she's asking me, okay, Ravi, I want a gift from you, that is anger. When will you give me? You will not have it after you give me, so will not be able to use it. She said, once you give me your anger, you cannot use it once again. After giving, when you give me, you cannot use it no longer. Okay. Oh, he sighed. So sighed means what? To let out one's breath. Suddenly, when we are excited, after that, when we are relaxed, we sigh our breath. Abba. Thank God, we say, no? Like that it is. Okay. Oh, he sighed. He was very relieved. He was very relaxed. He readily gave away his anger to his dear teacher as Teacher's Day gift. So what he said, okay, teacher, I'm going to give you my gift, that is anger. You take it. And he says, okay, even if you give me, if I don't get it back, no problem. I don't want it. You take it. Okay. But it wasn't easy as you think. Okay. It was not easy for Ravi. Ravi was extremely fidgety, restless. Fidgety means what? He was very restless. Okay. He was extremely fidgety, means he was restless. He did not know what to do for the next 15 days because he had contented. He did not know what to do. Had to confront to his class teacher as a gift. So he found very difficult all those 15 days. He had to constantly keep reminding himself at all times that he had gifted away his anger, so he could not get angry. So he had to remind himself constantly. Constantly means all the time he had to remind himself, no, I shouldn't get angry because that anger I have given to my class teacher as a shouldn't get any more angry. And his classmates were waiting and watching. After a week, Ravi started feeling better and gradually means slowly, after a month, he was changed person. So he controlled his anger for 15 days and after 15 days, he became a changed person. He became a good boy. Okay. He gave away his anger. He never got angry after that. He started enjoying life. He laughed with his friends. He became very popular. On the last day of the school, when Ravi went to take his final report card, he gave a beautiful rose and thank you card to Miss Mala. Now what happens? See, he changes himself. His behavior is changed. He started enjoying with his friends. He laughed with his friends. He mingled with his friends. He helped his friends everywhere. He was so friendly with his classmates. He was playing with them. And he became very popular. Now on the last day, when the children come to take the final report card, he gave a beautiful rose to his teacher, Miss Mala, and he said, and also with that flower, with that rose, he gave a thank you card.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.